Hey YouTube fam! Ready to supercharge your mornings with a simple, natural, and zesty secret? I'm talking about lemon water. Yes, this easy-to-make drink has huge health benefits that can transform your body, mind, and energy. Stick around because we're covering 10 amazing reasons why you should drink lemon water every morning. And I've got a juicy bonus tip at the end you don't want to miss. Let's jump in. 1. Kickstarts your hydration. Let's face it, when you wake up, your body is running on empty. You've just spent 7 to 8 hours without a sip of water, and that dehydration can leave you feeling groggy, sluggish, or even give you a headache. Starting your morning with lemon water is like giving your body the hydration jumpstart it craves. And here's the best part. Lemon adds a subtle flavor that makes drinking water way more enjoyable. If you struggle to drink enough water during the day, this simple addition can make hydration feel like a treat instead of a chore. Plus, hydration affects everything, from your energy levels to your brain function to your skin. So, why not start the day with a splash of refreshing lemon water? It's your first step to feeling more awake, focused, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. 2. Packed with vitamin C. Let's talk about the superstar of citrus, vitamin C. This powerful nutrient is essential for keeping your immune system in top shape, which means fewer sick days and more days feeling your best. But vitamin C does more than just fend off colds. It's also a potent antioxidant, fighting off free radicals that can cause cellular damage and contribute to aging. What's even better? Starting your day with a dose of lemon water gives you a head start on meeting your daily vitamin C needs. Just one lemon contains about 30 to 40% of your recommended daily intake. And don't forget the beauty perks. Vitamin C boosts your body's collagen production, which keeps your skin smooth, firm, and youthful. Whether you're tackling a busy workday or heading out for some fun, a simple glass of lemon water ensures you're glowing from the inside out. 3. Helps your digestion work like a pro. Your digestive system works hard every day, and starting the morning with lemon water is like giving it a little boost of encouragement. The citric acid in lemons helps stimulate the production of stomach acid and bile, both of which are essential for breaking down food efficiently. By prepping your digestive system first thing, you're setting the stage for smoother digestion all day long. And here's the kicker. Lemon water also supports healthy gut motility. That means it helps your stomach and intestines work in harmony to keep things moving. If you've ever felt bloated, heavy, or uncomfortable after meals, this simple morning habit could make a world of difference. Lemon water even helps balance your gut flora by creating an environment that's less friendly to harmful bacteria. So, whether you're enjoying a big breakfast or keeping it light, starting your day with lemon water primes your digestion to handle anything with ease. 4. Brightens and clears your skin. Who doesn't want glowing, radiant skin? Lemon water isn't just a drink, it's like a daily skincare routine from the inside out. The high vitamin C content in lemons acts as a natural antioxidant, fighting off free radicals that can lead to premature aging and dullness. Over time, this can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin a smoother, more youthful look. But that's not all. Lemon water promotes hydration, which is one of the most overlooked secrets to great skin. When your body is hydrated, your skin stays plump, soft, and less prone to dryness or irritation. Plus, the detoxifying properties of lemon water help flush out toxins, reducing the likelihood of breakouts and leaving your complexion clearer. If you're battling uneven skin tone or stubborn blemishes, the natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties in lemons can help soothe redness and fight acne-causing bacteria. Add in the hydrating benefits, and you've got yourself a simple, effective way to wake up your skin every single morning. Drink up and watch your natural glow shine through. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications on to stay updated to our latest health and nutrition tips. 5. Alkalizes your body for better balance. Here's a fascinating fact about lemons. While they're acidic on the outside, they have an alkalizing effect inside your body. But why is this important? Maintaining a slightly alkaline pH balance is crucial for your overall health. It helps reduce inflammation, improve energy levels, and create an environment where harmful bacteria and viruses are less likely to thrive. Every day, our bodies face acid-forming foods, stress, and environmental toxins that can tip the balance toward acidity. Over time, this imbalance can contribute to fatigue, inflammation, and even chronic diseases. Starting your morning with lemon water helps gently nudge your body back into balance, promoting a more alkaline state. And here's the bonus. An alkaline environment isn't just about energy, it also supports your bones and joints by reducing calcium loss and improving mineral absorption. So, that little squeeze of lemon isn't just a flavor boost. It's a powerhouse for restoring harmony in your body, helping you feel refreshed, balanced, and ready to take on the day. 6. Supports weight management. If you're on a journey to maintain or shed a few pounds, lemon water can be your secret weapon. First off, it's super low in calories. Just a few squeezes of lemon juice in water adds a burst of flavor without adding extra sugar or calories, making it a great alternative to high-calorie beverages like soda or juice. But that's not all. Lemons contain pectin fiber, a natural compound that can help reduce hunger cravings and make you feel fuller for longer. While you won't get a huge amount of pectin from lemon water alone, starting your day with this healthy habit can help set the tone for better food choices throughout the day. Lemon water also has a mild detoxifying effect, supporting your liver and digestion in flushing out waste products more effectively. A healthy digestive system is key to maintaining a balanced metabolism, which can directly impact how your body burns calories and stores fat. And let's not forget the psychological boost. Drinking lemon water gives you a refreshing, health-conscious start to your morning, which can motivate you to stick to your other healthy habits like exercising and eating well. It's a small change that can have big ripple effects on your weight management goals. 7. Flushes out toxins. Lemon water is more than just a refreshing drink, it's a natural detoxifier for your body. Your liver is your body's main detox organ, working 24/7 to filter out waste and harmful substances. Lemon water gives your liver a gentle nudge in the right direction, supporting its natural cleansing processes. The citric acid in lemons encourages the production of bile, which helps your liver break down and flush out toxins more efficiently. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach amplifies these effects. After hours of rest, your body is ready to reset, and lemon water acts as a reset button by hydrating your system and kickstarting the elimination of waste products. 8. Freshens your breath naturally. Nobody loves waking up with morning breath, right? Luckily, lemon water is a simple and natural way to freshen things up. Lemons have antibacterial properties that can help reduce the bacteria in your mouth, which are often the culprits behind unpleasant odors. A quick sip of lemon water can work wonders in neutralizing those smells and giving your mouth a clean, refreshed feeling. But the benefits don't stop there. Lemon water not only freshens your breath but also helps stimulate saliva production, which prevents your mouth from drying out. A dry mouth is a breeding ground for odor-causing bacteria, so staying hydrated with lemon water keeps things balanced and fresh. Here's a little pro tip. After drinking your lemon water, rinse your mouth with plain water to protect your tooth enamel from the natural acids in lemon juice. This extra step ensures you get all the benefits without worrying about your pearly whites. Whether you're gearing up for a big meeting or simply want to feel more confident in your morning routine, lemon water is the perfect way to say goodbye to bad breath and hello to a fresher, brighter start to your day. 9. Boosts your energy without a coffee crash. Are you tired of the dreaded coffee crash? We've all been there, feeling energized after that cup of coffee, only to crash a few hours later, leaving you reaching for more caffeine. If you're looking for a more sustainable, natural energy boost, lemon water is your new best friend. Lemon water helps wake up your body with its refreshing, energizing effects. The vitamin C and antioxidants found in lemons promote healthy circulation, improving oxygen levels in your brain, which can increase your mental clarity and alertness. It's like a natural energizer that gets you going without the jitters or crash that comes with caffeine. The beauty of lemon water is that it provides a steady, gradual boost of energy throughout the day. The natural sugars and negative ions in lemons help balance your energy levels, so you feel alert and focused, not over-caffeinated or jittery. Plus, Starting your day with a glass of lemon water is a great way to help your body feel refreshed and revitalized from the inside out. So, why rely on coffee for your morning boost when you can get the same benefits, without the crash, from a simple, hydrating, and energizing drink? Sip on lemon water and watch your energy level stay consistent and steady all day long. 10. Promotes regularity and gut health. Let's talk about one of the most important aspects of overall health, gut health. If you've ever struggled with bloating, irregularity, or digestive discomfort, you know how much it can affect your day. But here's the good news. Lemon water can be a game changer for your digestive system. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning helps get your digestive system into gear. The citric acid in lemons stimulates your stomach, encouraging the production of bile, which aids in the breakdown of food and promotes smoother digestion. This means your body can process food more efficiently, and you can feel lighter and more comfortable after meals. But it doesn't stop there. Lemon water also helps keep things moving through your digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements. If you've ever felt bloated or experienced constipation, you'll love how lemon water acts as a gentle detoxifier, flushing out toxins and supporting regularity. It's like giving your gut the support it needs to work at its best. By boosting hydration, lemon water also helps soften stool, making it easier to pass and reducing the chances of uncomfortable bloating or indigestion. Whether you're dealing with occasional irregularity or just want to keep things flowing smoothly, lemon water helps maintain balance in your gut, so you can feel your best all day long. Here's your bonus tip. Get creative with your lemon water. Add ginger for an immune boost, cucumber for extra hydration, or mint for a cooling kick. Not only does it keep things interesting, but each ingredient adds even more health benefits. It's like a spa treatment in a glass. So, what do you think? Are you ready to make lemon water your morning ritual? Let me know in the comments which benefit surprised you the most, or if you've got your own special lemon water twist to share. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy health hacks. Here's to starting your day right. Cheers.